A very good morning to one and all present here. Today I'm going to tell you about the Gratitude Day. Today we'll see what gratitude means. In simple words, gratitude means to give thanks. To give thanks for each and everything to each and every person you got in your life. In very simple words, I can say like when we open our eyes in the morning, we chant some Sanskrit mantras or we thank God for His greater glory and mercy to keep us safe in His mighty hands. So, by that, I want to conclude that gratitude means giving thanks and appreciation. We all are human beings and we do have our emotions, feelings, and attitudes. When you feel gratitude, you are pleased by the results. Unlike indebtedness, you are not anxious about having to pay it back. Gratitude helps people feel more positive emotions, relish good experiences, improve their health, and deal with adversities, their weaknesses, and build strong relationship with all the people around us. Then we'll see when and why this Gratitude Day was celebrated. The celebration of Gratitude Day started in 1965 in Hawaii. When an international gathering, they decided that it would be a good idea to have one day per year to formally express our gratitude, our thankfulness to each and every person in our life. And for this, for many wonderful things to be found in the world around us. Gratitude in all is about changing to look at things with positivity, thankfulness, practicing internal gratitude, and giving thanks to all the people in your life who make your life so beautiful. So, with that, I want to conclude my today's speech. Thank you.
A lovely morning to all the parents, the most valued and esteemed parents of our TRGPS family. It's a matter of pride for me to be a part of Vote of Thanks. I would like to thank all the parents and the students who have taken out their time to watch the program. You could be doing anything else, but you choose to watch the program. So a big thanks to all of you. I would also like to thank the participants for presenting their views in front of us. Your views matters a lot. Your opinion has impacted us a lot. I would also like to thank the teachers who made our students so much confident to be a public speaker, to came in front of the public and speak and present their views. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the organizers who made this program a successful journey. So I would like to end my talk by thanking our parents for being a part of our success journey. Thank you and have a nice day.
I am father of Vedant Singh, class KG1, the Royal Modwana Public School. Convey my gratitude to all the teachers, especially Sunita Gaikwad ma'am. They all really deserve a big salute for their hard work and selfless efforts put up during this pandemic period. The Royal Gondwana Public School has put up great efforts to guide, mentor and teach our children by organizing various online cultural and social activities to enhance their knowledge. Thanks a lot from bottom of my heart. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh Borkar. My daughter name is Danika Borkar, who is studying in nursery of Royal Gondwana Public School. In pandemic situation, everyone thanks to doctors, police and every person or department who has worked in such a situation, but except one department, that is teacher field. So today I thanks to them. I really appreciate teacher work in such a situation. Teachers are always responsible to make the future of our country and they are doing their job very well. I want to say thanks to the principal, teachers and management of Royal Gondwana Public School that they are doing their work with complete honesty and integrity. The management of school is also taking lot of efforts to provide online education and to solve the technical problems. I would like to thank the principal Tushar sir who has provided better technology and effective solution. I would like to say special thanks to the teacher staff of this school who take a lot of efforts in teaching. I personally feel blessed to have had such a staff as our daughters, teachers and principal. Thank you for all you have done for everyone, students in your class. We greatly appreciate your commitment and dedication to your students. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Madhuri Khobragade. My child is studying in Royal Gondwana Public School. He is in nursery. After taking the admission, I have seen many changes in his behavior which are good, and that all changes are because of his teacher. The teachers of the school are very interactive and they are very much caring. The way especially the Smita ma'am, the way she teach to my child and the way she handled the kid of 3 years old. Though the classes are going online, but Royal Gondwana Public School has its own website through which we can join the online classes. If someday I miss the class, that time I can see the recording of the class which are available on the website. The campus of the school is very nice. The campus is very environment friendly. That is the thing I like the most about this school. Sometimes they call us for the parents teacher meeting, but in this pandemic they take the meeting with all the precautions. The online classes are very good, the campus is also good, the teachers are very, very friendly. Means after going to that school, the kid gets very friendly, very happy, and he feel the feeling of home actually. So I want to say thank you to the Royal Gondwana Public School and the whole team. Thank you so much.
Good morning all of you. I am Bhavya's Mama. First I wish you Happy Gratitude Day. Today is World Gratitude Day. So I want to thank our respected principal, sir and coordinated teachers. First of all, I am thanks to principal sir as he guiding the teachers to take the online classes. Because of our principal sir and dear teachers, as this academic year is not wasted and we are also having our examination on the time, the teacher are taking efforts so that our syllabus completed and we are understanding the lessons very clearly. So thank you all teachers from bottom of my heart, and again thanks to all my dear teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Krutika Sonivane, mother of Lavanya Sonivane, studying in KG1. This year we got admitted our ward in our Provosnes kindergarten. The school is going very well. Though it is online, my ward is happily studying and doing well. School is trying providing best educational facilities online during this pandemic year, and it is really appreciable. Thanks to Sunita ma'am, Manjiri ma'am and principal sir. Thank
नमस्कार, मैं रॉयल गोंडवाना के सभी माननीय टीचर्स और माननीय प्रिंसिपल साहब को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। मैं आशीष बेजलवार अदिति बेजलवर का पापा बोल रहा हूँ। और सभी जानते हैं कि फिजिकल पढ़ाई और ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई में बहुत फ़र्क होता है। मेरी बेटी सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड में है, तो मुझे लगता है कि वो इस ऑनलाइन क्लास के लिए अभी बहुत छोटी है। फिर भी आपके टीचर स्टॉफ जिस 100% और जिस मेहनत से बच्चों को सभी बच्चों को इक्वली पढ़ा रहे हैं, और उससे तो मेरी बच्ची में वो दिख रहा है और समझ और लग भी रहा है, और उनकी उसमें वो नज़र भी आ रहा है। तो और स्पेशली आप जो अदर एक्टिविटी लेते हैं, तो मैं इससे तो वो इतनी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल तो उसका इतना अच्छे से बढ़ गया है, और वो इतना एंजॉय करती है कि उसे देख के तो मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि मैंने जो स्कूल को चुना है और जो मैंने डिसीजन लिया है उसके लिए मैं एकदम सेटिस्फाइड हूँ। और धन्यवाद सभी टीचर लोगों का, और सबसे और श्री माननीय प्रिंसिपल साहब का भी, जो इस तरह बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैनेज कर रहे हैं इस स्कूल के लिए। इसलिए मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Myself Ravindra Sute. We are parents of Ridhima Sute, which are studying in 3rd standard. The standard and discipline of Royal Gondwana Public School is very good. The teacher staff explain the students very well. In the pandemic situation, the whole teacher staff who is taking study from the children is very incomparable. Time to time online classes are happening very well. Music classes and PT's classes in this pandemic situation remains a good attraction for the student. I hope that in the same way the teacher will continue to support the students, and the classes will continue in the same way in the future also.
Yes, I agree with him. So thank you so much all of teacher. Thank you.
Hello, I am Mrs. Shraddha Keche, parents of Ananya Keche, who is studying in 8th standard at the Royal Gondwana Public School. I am really thankful to all the TRGPS family for their great efforts during this pandemic situation. During this time, teachers have gone to incredible length to help their students keep learning. To every teacher around the world, I have 2 words: thank you. Dear teachers, thank you for inspiring our kids even during this lockdown. You are amazing. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं लावण्या अनिल तोमर की माँ बात कर रही हूँ। मेरी बेटी कक्षा 4th में पढ़ती है। मैं सबसे पहले श्री तुषार चौहान सर को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी, जो उन्होंने हमें ये कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करने का मौका दिया है। अभी सभी इस दौर से गुजर रहे हैं। पिछले 1-1.5 साल से हम लोग सभी बहुत बुरे तरीके के दौर से गुजर रहे हैं, चाहे पेरेंट्स हो, बच्चे हो, टीचर्स हो। तो ये कठिन परिस्थिति में भी एक दूसरे का जो सपोर्ट दे रहे हैं, तो ये बहुत बहुमूल्य है। मैं ये सब में से जो भी हमें सहायता मिली है उसके 1-2 उदाहरण आपसे शेयर करना चाहूँगी। जैसे मेरा एक्चुअली एक रिसेंट कंसर्न था कि लिंक सुबह आती थी, तो हम दोनों भी पेरेंट्स वर्किंग होने के कारण हमें वो लिंक बच्ची को शेयर करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता था, और बच्ची के पास अलग नंबर है, बट मैंने उस पर व्हाट्सएप का एक्सेस बच्ची को नहीं दिया है, और मुझे वो लिंक अपने मेल पे शेयर करनी होती थी। उसका ईमेल आईडी मेरे पेरेंट ईमेल आईडी से लिंक है, तो बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता था। मैंने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर श्री मंगेश सर से बोला, तो मंगेश सर बोले कि डीके मैडम सिर्फ 1 हफ्ता रुक जाइएगा, आपको ये सब ऑनलाइन ही अपना पोर्टल होने वाला है। और जैसे ओरिएंटेशन प्रोग्राम था और जैसे पोर्टल कल से शुरू होने वाला है, तो मैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिलैक्स होगी, टेंशन फ्री होगी। हम पेरेंट्स को इतना अच्छा लगा कि अभी कल से बच्ची अपना बिल्कुल टाइम पे क्लास अटेंड करेगी, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट था, क्योंकि कभी हम मीटिंग में लिंक भेजना भूल जाएंगे, मोबाइल अलाउ नहीं मीटिंग में, तो बहुत ज़्यादा यानी एक मेरी बहुत बड़ी यानी बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न था है मेरा। दूसरी बात है लास्ट ईयर तो कोई ऐसा प्रोफाइल नहीं, सॉरी कोई ऐसा पोर्टल नहीं था कि जहाँ पे हम लिंक से क्लिक करें और करें। मैं सभी टीचर लोग अपना अपना लिंक भेजते थे, बट पिछले साल थर्ड के क्लास टीचर मनीषा मैम थे, तो मैंने मनीषा मैम से रिक्वेस्ट किया, मंगेश सर से भी किया, तो इन्होंने मुझे आउट ऑफ द वे जाके ये मुझे पहले दिन लिंक भेजते थे शाम को 7 बजे के पहले, मैं बच्ची से शेयर करती थी सो दैट दूसरे दिन बच्ची मेरी टाइम पे ऑनलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन करती। तो ये ऐसा इतना सपोर्ट मिलना, और सही में मैं बहुत सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी कि एक्चुअली ऐसा आउट ऑफ द वे जाके भी मुझे यहाँ पे सपोर्ट मिला है। और थर्ड थिंग, मेरा ये सब सपोर्ट मिलने के इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न था कि अभी मैनेजमेंट चेंज हो गया है, कैसे होगा, मुझे सपोर्ट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि पिछले 2-3 साल में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिला था रॉयल गोंडवाना से, क्योंकि हम दोनों वर्किंग पेरेंट्स हैं, मेरा भी जॉब प्रोफाइल थोड़ा अलग है, बट मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिला। मीन्स अभी मैंने तो यहाँ पे व्यक्त किया है, लेकिन एक बार मैं पर्सनली मिलके भी व्यक्त करना चाहूँगी कि नहीं, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिला है। तो फिर से मैं सभी टीचर्स लोग जैसे शीला मैम, मनीषा मैम, सुप्रिया मैम, वैलेंटीना मैम, सरस्वती मैम, कुमुदिनी मैम, श्री तुषार सासनकर सर, भावना मैम, कमलेश सर, मंगेश सर और श्री तुषार चौहान सर का फिर से धन्यवाद मानूंगी और सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगी।
गुड आफ्टरनून प्रिंसिपल सर, टीचर्स। I am Ranjana Hansraj Bangre, parent of Tejasvi Bangre from grade 3. Today I am going to tell about gratitude for our school, principal and teachers. First of all, I am going to tell at our school, the Royal Gondwana Public School is a very, very nice school. And in the Maharashtra's best school. I am so grateful that my daughter is learning there. And now I tell about teachers. Thank you very much, teachers, for being such a good teachers to my child. As a parent, I know perfect teachers are hard to find. But for me, you are the best teachers for my child. Thank you for your love and care you are giving to my child each day. I truly appreciate that. Thank you very much once again.